Sharing key metrics and valuable data with colleagues, shareholders, and decision makers is vital to best business practices and couldn't be easier in NetSuite. Here's how to export Save Search results in NetSuite. In your NetSuite instance, go to Reports, Save Searches, and All Save Searches. On this page, you can scroll or search to find the search that you'd like to export. Once you've found the search you'd like to export, go ahead and click View. In the top left corner, under the Edit This Search button, you'll see 3 icons, each representing a different export option. From left to right, you have Export as CSV, Export as Excel, and Export as PDF. Simply click on one of these options, and your Save Search will immediately export to your downloads. If you're looking to export Save Search data to Google Sheets, then you need the Gurus Data Exporter for NetSuite. For more information, visit the Gurus Data Exporter Suite app page. There will be a link available in the description below. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For more how-to videos, visit gurusolutions.com.